Any other thoughts on the historical method and the reliability of the Gospels and things?
Well, I would just say that these are very exciting times for Christians today compared to, say, the situation 100 years ago. Do you realize at the end of the 19th century, there were scholars that were saying that Jesus of Nazareth never even existed, that this was all just myth and legend. And yet today, that would not be defended by any responsible um, New Testament historian. Instead, the Gospels have reemerged as historically credible sources for the life and teachings of this first century person, Jesus of Nazareth. And so when Christians read their New Testament, they can do so with a real confidence and they can use these historical tools that Keener shares, to read his commentaries, read the work of other New Testament scholars to show the historical credibility of the New Testament that we read.